Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time coming. Happy New Year, compliments of the season. Today's episode we're making healthy smoothie and I just want to introduce our ingredients. Like you've seen, we'll be using spinach, apple, we'll be using carrots, banana. A smoothie is never complete without a banana. We'll be using kefir. It's like an unsweetened yogurt, and we'll be using honey to add a little sweetness to the healthy smoothie. So if this is a video you're interested in, just stay tuned while we dive into it. So guys, this is the result of our smoothie. If you're looking for a healthy smoothie to lose weight, this is the best smoothie recipe for you. It's very optional. You could add enough milk or kefir as you want, but I just wanted something little because I wanted it to be really healthy. Thank you for watching this video.